The deadline is looming. Tomorrow marks the day all of Yale New Haven Health's employees are supposed to be vaccinated. And it turns out a few hundred have still not received their shot, putting their jobs in jeopardy. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland is live at the mobile newsroom outside of Yale New Haven Hospital with all the details. Matt.
Well, Aaron, Yale New Haven Health has approximately 30,000 employees. Of that, about 400 still not vaccinated or have received that exemption. So what does that mean for those employees that still not have followed the mandate? Well, so far, verbal warnings, they were going out this week. Next week would come written warnings that would go in their personnel file. And then if they're still not vaccinated by October 18th, that would lead to their termination. Now, Yale New Haven Health says it wants its employees to get vaccinated, so it will continue to work with them over these next few weeks. But it still expects to dismiss somewhere between 100 and 200 employees who will fail to meet that COVID vaccine mandate. As for whom this impacts, well, Yale says it's everyone from nurses, technicians, business workers to environmental and food services employees as well. But Yale stresses as we've approached tomorrow's deadline, they say the numbers have been going down. When it's all over, they will have about 99% vaccinated. Last week, they had about 800 staffers who had either not been vaccinated or had not received that exemption. Now this week, they say that number is down to about 400.
We really think that this directly impacts the safety of our patients and our care settings, so we're not budging. So I think that as it's gotten closer, it's sharpened the immediacy. People have really said, is this really something I'm willing to lose my job over?
Now, it's not just Yale New Haven Health that's dealing with this looming deadline. The state's other large hospital system, Hartford Healthcare, they're having to deal with it as well. Of that part of the story coming up tonight at 5:30. We're live with the mobile newsroom in New Haven. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.